Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pop your Ford Escape hood. First, you'll need to find the interior hood release lever. This is usually located on the driver's side, beneath the dashboard, often to the left of the steering wheel. Look for a small lever with a car and an open hood icon. Give it a firm pull to disengage the first latch. Once you've pulled the interior lever, head to the front of your vehicle. You'll notice the hood has popped up slightly, creating a small gap. Now, you need to locate the secondary safety latch. This crucial step prevents the hood from flying open unexpectedly while driving, ensuring your safety. To fully open the hood, reach your hand into the gap you created. The secondary latch is typically positioned slightly to the left of the center, underneath the hood's front edge. For some models, it might be a distinct yellow lever. Push or slide this mechanism to the side as you gently lift the hood upwards. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the hood all the way open. Look for the prop rod, which is typically secured to the underside of the hood itself. Detach it from its clip and firmly insert its end into the designated hole on the engine bay frame. This will hold your hood safely in place while you perform your checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.